Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mriganka and I am the soft skills trainer for Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Welcome to In-depth. It is often said that the first impression is the last impression, and when you walk into a hotel, the first impression that you get is of the reception area, the lobby, and that is where you go and you interact with the first person in a property, and that is the front desk. Today here we are in the front desk lab of the hotel management course here at Inspiria Knowledge Campus, where the students of HHA are practicing and getting to know what are the different things that they need to do. In order to do that, let's get a little bit more insights from one of our students as to what are the things that they're learning here. Hi buddy, welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So tell me, what are the different things that you've learned here in this practical lab?
Sir, here we learned guest welcoming, check-in, check-out, and check-in and reservation things. And after that, we have to escort the guest, and then telephone handling is the other things. And we have learned about the different types of softwares which are used in our day-to-day life.
Okay, so you said software. I'm guessing there is the software that you use for reservations.
Yes, so there are many types of softwares. One is IBS and another one's Opera. And here we use Hotologics.
Okay.
And you can see my friend is over there. He's using and putting the data in this and working with the Hotologics software.
So I'm believing this is what you use in order to check in a guest. Like whenever a guest walks up to you and wants to take a room, this is the software that you use?
Yes, sir. We use Hotologics software.
Right. So tell me, Anuj, what are whatever you're learning here in this practical lab, how do you think it is preparing you for other aspects? Like say for example, if you do not want to stay in the hotel industry, whatever you're learning in this lab, does it make you ready for some other sectors as well?
Yes, sir. There are many sectors available. Right now, we can opt for airlines or we can go for public relations such as banking and other sectors. And apart from that, if we don't want to do any job or we don't want to do the work under anyone, we can go for entrepreneurship skills which we are getting from and learning from here.
Okay. All right, Anuj. Thank you so much for your time, buddy. I'll leave you to joining the class. So as we know that the front office is the face of the hotel, the way you present yourself and the way you treat the guests creates a sense of mood for your guests, and that in itself is very, very important and crucial. Now we'll just go ahead and talk to one of the faculties here and get a little bit more knowledge about what are they teaching here and how are they preparing all the kids for the job market. Now amongst us we have Assistant Professor Mr. Saptarshi Haldar, who is a faculty here at Inspiria Knowledge Campus teaching hotel management. So sir, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you, Mriganka.
So sir, my first question to you is that our kids, when they go out and they work in the hotel industry, in the front office section, they receive guests from all over the world. But it is, as we know, it is not possible for a person to learn all the different languages. So how do you prepare the kids to address this language barrier whenever it comes?
Okay, so basically globally, if you see, there are some limited language which are used in the global pattern. First we call English, and then we have French and Spanish. These three are the languages which are majorly used in the most of the part. So we always influence our students to learn these three particular languages. And apart from that, there are sometimes some guests who know some national languages which are not part of these three. Then we make them learn that how to use pictures, how to use signage, okay, to make them understand, or through your postures, okay, and through expressions, how can you make them believe that thing. Sometimes show them like slowly break the words of in English, and also they can catch and all. So this way we make them learn that how to help assist those guests and way out from this situation. And if required, we can take them, like if a guest is unable to identify that where is the restaurants and all, we can directly take them to the restaurants to find out. Like in menu also, we can sometimes display that from the buffet, okay, these items are these, so in this way you can opt it. So this was the way. So more about the visibility, the more you show the things, they will get to understand. So
right.
Okay.
So somewhere, sir, I had also read that the front office manager is your friend in the property, because the front office manager is basically the one who is responsible for whatever issues that you face. Like when we go and stay in a property, we face any issues, that's the first person that we call, right? So what are the different skills that makes them, you know, ready to be in the front office?
Well, first thing is they have to be full confident, okay, and you have to be very cool and calm personality, where you have to control your aggressions. And another thing is your body language, smile.
Smile,
Okay,
of course.
because whenever anyone is, maybe a guest can be angry, okay, they can be rude, but your reaction will reflect. If you smile, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then guest will come down, and you have to be patient. So you have to make that guest come down, convince them, and always we have to be empathetic in those situations. If it's not about sympathetic way, it cannot be, because we are in the service industry.
Correct.
The service industry is just not only selling the service or selling the product. Along with that, we have to give them some kind of environment, okay, that we have to provide through our presentation to that particular guest. So it have to be soft, we have to be very calm in mind and full of confidence. That's all.
Perfect. So my final question to you would be, like, whatever the kids are learning here, how does it prepare them, or what are the different sectors or areas where they can work, and how does it prepare them for the other sectors as well?
Well, we basically train them, the major focus keeping them that to be placed at the hotel industry in the front desk sections. But apart from front desk, they have options in hotels to work in the rooms division, or they can go in the reservation, they can go in the revenue, okay, if they can go in the field of sales and marketing. Not only in hotels, but they can join any other sectors as a business development associates or executive in a career, start as a career with the degree. Plus they can join the air aviation, okay, both as a cabin crew or as a ground crew member. Customer relationship, customer handling, same in the banking sector, hospitals like receptions and all. Then they can join the BPOs like IBM Daksh and all. They recruit the hospitality freshers because of their confidence, and during the internship and a few years of experience, okay, what they get, that they are the only people those who handle the guests directly face to face all their duty hours, and that's why they have the greatest value in the customer relationship across of the different technical field, technical knowledge. Because technical knowledge is something we can learn later also, but the skills what they get to learn, they develop while being the part of this course or later on during their internship or small job life if they work in hotel, that valued them in that skills. So these are the different areas and further that they can switch to other, like they can prepare for the core banking jobs where not only the customer relationship, core banking operations, they can join in the facility management companies. They can also pursue their career later on. So there are various options nowadays, and retail sections are always there. Especially in the food retail, they can join the garment retails, like in different branded outlets, you can say Pantaloons, Shoppers Stop, then Satyapal. They all hire our the first year graduates because all about the customer handling there. So for their skills, they will get preferred everywhere.
Right. So just to understand, I believe like whatever they're learning here are people skills, and
Yes.
those people skills prepare them for a variety of jobs, which
Yes.
primarily has a lot of client servicing, a lot of interaction with the clients and all of that.
Yes, that's the basic things in the front office. And along with that, what they are liking, they are very much helping with the billings and all. So in the account part also they have to be very sure, because in the hotels or anywhere you are doing the business, okay, ultimately those are all commercial organizations, they are looking for money.
Right.
So obviously revenue they have to take care. Like our front office staffs in a day, they handle the cash amount or total billing of each guest around 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakhs billing. So same thing, that's why in hospitals also they prefer, because nowadays in hospital the bill amounts are very high.
Correct.
So how to handle that proper cash without any mistakes and all, that also make them a very good part in this reception field or in the frontline field or in different sectors, along with the customer handlings.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for your time. I'll
Thank
leave
you.
I'll leave you to the practical. Thank you so much for having us. So as Saptarshi sir just told us that no matter which industry that you want to go to, when you are getting trained in the front office practicals, you're learning a lot about the different industries as well. And whatever skills you're learning, you can apply them in the different industries as well. Be it your billing, be it your customer handling, be it just overall management of an institution or an organization as well. So this practical prepares you for various sectors. So this, ladies and gentlemen, was an insight into one of the practicals of HHA, where we learned about the different things that are there in the curriculum and also the different skills that the kids are learning, which helps them in their career, whether they want to do a job or they want to pursue themselves as an entrepreneur. This is me signing off for this episode. I'll see you around in the next one. Till then, take care and do what you love.